Both the day, I'm just spending a little bit of time here. Got family with me and that, so. No. A little bit of time. I'm just rid of this crap that's under here. Gently, but it's not easy. So we've got all this coming off, quite a bit down there. I believe they're the power steering pipes, but I can't see why we have a puddle underneath the power steering. Can't see a good reason at all for that. I need a chisel or something to get in there, get it there. There's quite a bit there. That which hold the pipe, so that's quite close to, well, it was quite close, that's just got dirt on it. Underneath here needs redoing again. Got some in there, just over there, quite difficult. To get at. I think I'm going to have to call it quits and go home, I think. Crap off there. Boot looks alright though. Not that steering arm, but I can't really see, there's too much stuff in there. See it just up here. Way over time. This here is what they call the fishtail. Yeah, this here. Oh, that's what the guy who got me think. Fishtail, it's a bit of metal, comes down. It's only on this side and it's there to primarily protect them pipes. If the pipes are sat right, but they're not quite sat right. So rather than getting snagged on the road or if you're ground out, the bus is meant to hit this, and that is supposed to help make it so it passes the pipes without damaging anything. But Yeah, never seen it work properly. Oh, quite a bit of. Let's see. About half moving the steering there. There's quite a bit here. I think I'm going to leave it for today and come back another day when things are a bit better. See what's going on top of that steering rack because there's two massive batteries in the way. Obviously we need to look at. Still works, but I have no idea what I'm filming. This will be interesting, folks. It appears the camcorder screen has decided it no longer wants to be a screen and given up. Which is a bit troubling. So this disable belt, if I can get the right screwdriver to undo it. We know there's been a problem with it. It stopped working, it was working, but then stopped working. Let's have a look why it's not working. I've got a feeling why it doesn't work, but we shall investigate. Right, I'm none the bloody wiser because the wires are intact. Let's power on.
Must have been something pressing against this. Or something.
It's not very good. Get stuck. So in typical form for this bus, once you've taken it out to repair it, it started working again. Let's put the two screws back in. Now I only have one screw, I don't know where the other screw's gone. I do not understand this bus. I've also lost that screw. No, man, I'll use a different one. If I can find another one on the right flipping size to use. Get him out of an unlock. Oh. That's not good.
Lamborghini.
You can't eat that. You can't eat her hair.
Well, you can lick her face.
It's very yucky.
That's recording now, I think. Try and work out what half these bloody wires are. Yeah, I think that is now cooling and that lot of fuel gauge, but neither work, and that fuel gauge that we bought seems to have given up. Seems to have gone bang for some reason. We're still in a position where we don't have a fuel gauge. And don't know if the fuel cylinder works now. I think I'll way to test it. Put this gauge in on anyway for now. So we have a fuel gauge in place, which doesn't bloody work. Where's that meat? No way of testing it. Test. It's going to ground. Test resistance between ground and that. It doesn't, not a dead shot. It's not a steady reading. It's 4 volts, but how do we know if that is? That could indicate we've got a full tank, could indicate we've got an empty tank. And it's pretty steady. So does that indicate the fuel gauge is working? Does it lose it if that goes off? The only way to tell is whether that is working or not is, remember, 4.5 volts, and when we fill it up to go town and district, see if it changes. If it doesn't change, then it's dead. That's the only way, isn't it? I'm never gonna know. Bloody hate this dashboard.
I'm laughing with just holding like this and it's not even recording.
So loud.
Pardon?
So loud. I think it should be. There should be. You can plug an external display into them and then work. I said there's fuel in it. Bigger panel. That's a bit loud. I don't think it's leaking air either. Orange belt. See if I can fix that air leak. That's what that bitch. Four ways done his job, it's turned it off. A bit hard with the power. Yeah, running. You just stuck together? No, I was trying to make the pipe a little bit fatter. Which sort of didn't work, I think, because the duct tape was a bit too much. But we know the four-way protection valve works. We switched it on.
I had to do it. How did I do it? Put it at the cars.
Go on, do your video.
You do it at you now.
We know the four-way protection valve kicked on. It's not trying to fill the system. The idea was just try and make the pipe
That one up. That is too heavy.
get fatter. It sort of worked, it weren't leaking out, was it? It just leaked out when it got up to pressure. going to be impossible to hold with the engine running, I think.
Okay then.
The floor's clean. The floor is clean in this area.
That's
Cheers.
scary. Hey, you're dirty.
Yep.
What about if that happens again?
It's off now.
What?
The bus is off, so it shouldn't.
I don't go in the sea again. If that happens.
That's a much better pressure seal. Try that.
You chicken bugger! Yeah. I'm to do it.
No, wait, I need the pressure to build.
Where do you put the... Where do you press the hole?
Do you mind?
Make the sat now.
You got an air light?
It's blew off again. Let's see which side it blew off this time. off this time.
I do it now. I do it now.
A minute.
Hello! Hello, Jordan. I'm not here.
Hello.
Sing a big bag, sing a finger sama. Yo yo, cover. Jordan, is this the one you were watching for?
No.
Biggest one. Are you looking for the biggest one?
No.
Which one are you watching for?
No.
Thank you. Can I press the horn now?
No, there's no air pressure.
When can I press the horn?
Go on then.
And the bus
Right,
driver.
guys, don't want to jinx it, but I think we may have sorted it. So it now seems to be holding, and we're at 11 bars of pressure. So it does seem to be holding now. Nothing that a bit of gaffer tape can't sort out.
And what's your neighbour's door colour?
As you can see, we've got like 11 bars of pressure showing out of that tank. So it should be good. It should be holding now. Just needs tying up and out of the way. And the doors are about to go mental. Gonna step back from the doors. Right, Jade, stop that. Jade! We have an air leak up there. And that air leak will be Sean's doing. Let's try and shut the doors. Yeah, there we go, we're not pressing solid doors. Stand on the red toolbox.
Why? Why?
These doors now shutting. Some pressure up there. They'll fit along. The doors obviously take a little bit to build. They do build, and the pressure is now building up in that pressure really has to build in them doors. To accept the command. There we go. Molly's good. Ow!
Hey. Take this part off. And do it.
That is fucking ridiculous, isn't it? No, because it'll be scaring Imogen. It's not fair.
Yes, I want to.
Need the air to build in all the systems. Suspension's gone up.
I want to do it.
No.
Yes.
Right, pick up your slime off my diagrams.
Okay. But then they're not quite squishy at the top, only the pink is.
They need going in the bin.
But the red is not squishy, only the pink is.
Yeah, but they need going in the bin.
I can't put it in the bin. Put it in the bin.
That's not the bin.
What is it?
There's a bin. Put it in one of the bin bags at the back.
We don't have to
Let's go investigate our oil leak, see if we've still got one. Now we seem to have stopped leaking oil. I wonder if it was just overfull. It's now sealed itself, who knows? What was that popping noise?
There's a cup.
Right, okay. Still not got a handbrake.
You so okay and disgusting. So okay. You're okay. Ew, so you're okay. You're okay. Ew, so you're okay. Ew, so you're okay.
Right. Long all this way, pressure's built. Pressure in axle 1, axle 2 built. There you go. It's gone out now, so we have air pressure, so we should roll back.
Get in there. I want to do it. But I can't with these slimy hands.
Good. The other amazing bit is there's no sound of air leaks. So it might actually hold its pressure now.
Get it in! Get it in!
Right, well I don't think there's much more we can really do before. What on earth?
I can't get it off me. I can't get my slime off me. You. So you're okay.
This views is why you do not buy slime for kids.
But I like buying slime.
You are so washing your hands with something before you get in my car.
I won't touch anything.
I do not care. Right, I'm going to do that tyre on the car.
Ew. Mummy! Oh, this one is
Right.
affecting me!
So as usual, Patreon, YouTube membership, all them. Do make sure to check us out. I hope this is all recorded. We don't know what we recorded because it's give up, but we'll see. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.